Today, let's talk about pregnancy acne and everything I've been doing to keep it under control. Even if you're not pregnant, you can still watch this video because these tips work for anybody, but especially if you're pregnant, make sure to check out this video. I'm gonna have a new pregnancy beauty tip every week on my channel as a bonus video. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell next to the subscribe button so you get notified when I post new videos. Now let's talk about acne. And acne pregnancy, it's no joke, guys. It is something that I always had throughout my life. I know you guys always compliment my skin, which I really appreciate, but I have suffered from cystic acne for a long time, and I only keep it under control if I do my masks, if I take care of it. But I found out that during my pregnancy, sometimes a lot of the things that I used to do didn't work as quickly, or I kept breaking out more and more, and I started trying different things. So I'm gonna share with you everything that has worked for me, but I feel like it really got under control after a combination of things. So now let's get to it. First of all, the DIY oatmeal face mask also works for acne. It really helps with the redness and calming down the inflammation. So that one still also works for acne, so you can try using that as well. But I feel like depending on the type of acne you get, if you break out fully, you have to do more things than just the oatmeal face mask. So I also suggest my DIY Tremec face mask, which is amazing. I'll leave the video with the recipe on the description box below. And this recipe I created myself after many trials and errors, so it won't stain your skin. It is super easy to make, and it lasts like 7 days in the refrigerator, so you can do it even daily as well. That turmeric face mask really helps to heal the acne. Other things that doctors have cleared for acne is lactic acid. Lactic acid also helps a lot to clear the pores and heal with acne. And I have amazing DIY lactic acid mask that I'm going to put on the description box below. You guys can check that out if you want to make it at home. Basically, milk contains lactic acid, so really helps as well. But you can also look for face washes that contain lactic acid and all that. I particularly have not needed to use lactic acid, store-bought ones. I've just used my milk face mask, which has lactic acid naturally, and that has also worked, especially to fade the dark spots that you have on your skin. I'll put a DIY one in the description box below, but lactic acid has been cleared to use while pregnancy to help with acne. But because DIY sometimes take time for you to do the recipe and make sure you use it, I also have other things that I have store-bought that has really worked. So I feel like it has been a combination of my natural DIYs as well as other things I've been doing. Besides the DIYs, make sure to ask your doctor about any acne products, because there's a lot of ingredients on acne medication that you cannot use that can affect the fetus. So you have to be really careful. Always ask your doctor. The acne patches I've been really enjoying is the Peace Out Acne, and they actually sent me this for review. They sent me actually one box for review, and I used the whole thing and I actually bought another one. My husband and I actually used together, and that's why the box went out really quickly, but it worked out for him as well. And I purchased another box to have in hand. Those acne stickers do work, but the disclaimer is stickers contain salicylic acid. If you're pregnant, make sure you talk to your doctor first, because salicylic acid is not an ingredient that you want to use in large quantities. My doctor cleared me for it, but I still am extremely careful, and that's why I only use salicylic acid in the form of acne patches, and only if I have one breakout that I want to take care of that has been like super resistant to my DIYs or the other things I'm going to talk on this video. And they do work quickly. If you want to try acne stickers and you are pregnant, make sure to clear with your doctor. Other options for acne that has really worked for me is blue light therapy, and that is amazing and is safe for pregnancy. Obviously, you're not going to put anything near your belly, but you can do it for face. Those treatments, you can actually get it done by your dermatologist, or you can buy home ones. Basically, what it does is a technology that was developed by NASA, and it goes deep into the skin dermis. The blue light therapy specifically helps to clear the bacteria from acne, helps to fade the dark spots as well, and it's really scientifically proven and is safe for pregnancy. But again, ask your doctor. And I have been using throughout my pregnancy with different gadgets. I've been using two things at home that has really been a lifesaver. First one is a little bit expensive, is like LED mat, and this one has LED blue as well as red. This one is from a brand called Saluma. It's pretty expensive. I actually got it for my birthday because it works for both wrinkles and acne. And this one you just lay down and then you put on your face. So this one covers your whole face. You just lay down and then you have like little goggles and then you put on your face like that. When I was in the beginning of the pregnancy having really bad breakouts all over, this really helped to calm down, and especially the cystic acne that is so painful to me. So this one helped a lot. But this brand is really good, but there's so many brand panels like that from all kinds of different prices on Amazon. There's also the masks. Those LED panels are really good because it can cover your whole face and you can do the treatment like in 20 minutes. And you get done with your whole face. So if you have all over acne in your face and you don't want to use any topical treatments, LED could be a really good option. LED blue light therapy for acne. I'm still using the panel, but I feel like with all the things I'm doing, I'm putting my acne under control a lot more, which is a mix of the DIYs and the LED. I'm not doing the LED as much anymore. I'm maybe doing once a week. Or as needed, because now what's happening is instead of having all over acne, I have certain spots break out. And for the spots breakouts, I found this amazing gadget here too that is so good. This is also up there in price, not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. But this one has been a godsend for spot treatment, because with the panel, you have to sit or lay down for 20 minutes. 20 minutes or 30 minutes. In this one, the whole treatment takes 30 seconds. I confess, also being pregnant makes you lazy and sometimes you're not really up to stuff. I kind of use when I'm doing the panel to do like a pregnancy meditation I really like. So that helps, but sometimes I just don't have the patience. And especially if I just have one spot, this has been really great on helping it. And what this does is also blue light LED therapy, and it just targets the area. You just turn it on and hold it for 30 seconds and then the treatment is done. But this one is not really good if you have acne all over your face, because then it becomes time consuming. So I only use this one for certain spots and it does work right away. I want to definitely show a hopeful review of this product in future videos. This is just to mention to you guys, those things are available. It's up there in price, but it has been really worth it, especially alternating with the acne patches. Since I cannot use them too much, I can use one in one spot. What I do is usually I use on separate spots the acne patch, and I use if I have other spots with this one. That way I'm not putting too much salicylic acid in my body. So I'm always very careful about that. So I wanted to share with you guys. I'll definitely have a full review of this coming up in future video with my beauty gadgets series. But I wanted to mention to you guys that this is available, and I'll leave all the links of all the products I'm talking about on the description box below. There's so many gadgets that came out on the market now. You make sure to Google like which of the gadgets like is more affordable to you, or if it's worth it to go get it treated by a dermatologist as well in a clinic. But again, you don't need to get all these things. This is just things that have worked for me by trying. I'm just giving you to see what works for you guys, but the DIYs works as well. So for me, has been a combination of trying it all. But since I have a YouTube channel for beauty, I always go the extra mile to review certain products, because that way you guys don't have to try it out. So, but make sure, I just want to say, I'm not saying you have to get everything I say on this video, but I definitely wanted to give you as much information as possible so you have options. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this beauty tips for pregnancy, and make sure to ask any questions on the comment below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next week. Bye!